Hello and welcome, JVs and affiliates. This is my new product. It is coming out next week on Monday, June 5th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the product is called Affiliate Marketing Mastery. And this one is specific because we're going to be going over 4 steps. It's a very simple 4-step blueprint. And you can see all the details right here on this page. Obviously, the video will be this current video that I'm recording right now. That's the video that you will see on this JV page. But you can go and see the sales page preview. I'm going to go show you that in a minute. And then you can click on this button over here to go get your affiliate link, or you can go and grab your link with this big yellow button right here as well. We can scroll down here and look at the contest, and then I'll have some promo emails coming soon as well. A couple important things to note that I've done different on this launch that I haven't done before, which is I'm actually requiring 25 sales for affiliates or more. In order to be approved, you have to have a good standing with Warrior Plus. I just want to work with quality affiliates. They're going to send real good traffic and so forth, right? And if you don't have quite a seasoned account on Warrior Plus, that's fine. Or if you don't have 25 sales, that's totally fine too. You can get in as an affiliate. I'll set it up to be auto approved. It's already set to auto approve if you purchase the front end product. And you know what? That may not sound right or exciting to you, but everybody starts at somewhere, and everybody starts at that point. And believe me, I was at that point before as well, where I would go out and I would actually purchase the product and do a real review on it and send real traffic. And guess what? Your audience is actually going to appreciate that anyway. If you actually get your hands on the product, you're going to be able to create a better review video and do a better promotion. And your audience that you're promoting it to is going to appreciate that. Well, basically, I've always stood by this. If you're not willing to buy the product yourself and do a proper review, then why should your audience go and purchase the product as well, right? So that's just a little bit of some of the kind of principles and practice that I do with affiliate marketing. But needless to say, if you're part of that group with under 25 sales, just remember you can also go and just purchase the product. It's going to be a $12.95 product, so it shouldn't be too bad. It costs more money to eat at Taco Bell for one person. So if you want to be in on, then that is the information. You can read more about this. I have some really good stuff right over here. I have basically a case study as well in there where I made almost $9,000 in 3 days, and some more information about why you should promote this product and so forth, right? So here's the affiliate contest. I've never done this before, and I've never been in a position in my business to do this, but we are doing this time. We are doing a $1,000 cash prize. And so I run a smaller business, and so a lot of probably businesses my size wouldn't go and do a $1,000 cash prize, but I believe in this product. I believe that this is going to sell really well, and this is an extremely high quality product, and I'm going to tell you why it is a high quality product in just a minute. But we're going to do definitely a $1,000 cash prize, $700 for first place, $200 for second, and a third will get $100. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I like that fun camaraderie and fun affiliate competition. It is a lot of fun. Here is the funnel. So we're going to have the Affiliate Marketing Mastery front end. It's going to be $12.95 and 50% commissions across the entire funnel. Make it easy instead of having different commission rates for different products and so forth. We also have a order bump that everyone will have a chance to get. These usually convert well, and so you'll make 50% on that right off the bat as well. So the front end ends up being, over $20, which is really cool. I know that when I see the order bumps, when I'm buying products, I usually probably at least 60% of the time I probably buy them. And so that's really cool. Keep it under $10, both products. And then we have the easy product creation and launch jacking and build a real audience. So really cool products. Welcome to go and check all that out. Remember to mark your calendars for June 5th, Monday, June 5th. At 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is going to be a high value, high quality product. Let's go look at the sales page right over here. Of course, I'm actually rendering the sales page, the sales video for the sales page right now. So this will have a sales video right there and a nice video right there. Okay. So yes, I have made over 6 figures as an affiliate marketer for 2 years in a row now. And so this is not me teaching theory, right? Which unfortunately, it saddens me to say this, but we all know that a lot of the products that come out on our marketplaces, JVZoo and Warrior Plus, are just fluff, and they are based on like theory, right? And rehashed information. Well, this is actually, I don't do that in my courses. I'm going to be teaching your customers exactly what I do to top leaderboards in affiliate marketing for products. When I go after a product, I usually win, and how I'm able to build a sustainable affiliate marketing business. And I'm not out there promoting every product every single day. I can just promote one product in 1 month and make $3,000, right? And just from putting out a video or two and sending out a couple emails to my list, it's really, really that simple. And so I'm going to teach your customers how to do that, right? And it really is that simple. So we're going to be going and looking at basically the 4 simple steps, right? I'm going to go into very much details about choosing a niche. No, your customer does not have to do the make money online niche. They can go into anything that they want, and I'm going to show them how there's so many other places that's not just Warrior Plus and JVZoo and Pay Kickstart and so forth, right? And ClickBank. I don't even talk about ClickBank. I don't promote ClickBank products, but there are a lot of other places, and you're going to see right over here all these other places. I talk about some of these as well, and there's thousands of products inside of each one of these. This is crazy. I make thousands of dollars a month on Impact. That's another really good affiliate marketing network right there that has thousands. Probably over 10,000 companies use them, real legitimate companies that use these affiliate management systems over here to pay out their affiliates, right? So I'm going to teach all about that. That's the affiliate programs part, step 2. And then we're going to show you how to create content, how to go out there and start building an organic traffic, free traffic. I specialize in free traffic. I don't even do paid traffic, and I make thousands upon thousands per month just with free traffic. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how that. And I have multiple YouTube channels, so it's not just something. It's something that you can replicate and rinse and repeat. It's not like a fluke where I just got lucky on one of my YouTube channels. I have multiple YouTube channels that make me money monthly, and so that's just one of the methods. But we're going to be coming over here, and then traffic and tracking, and how important that is, how important tracking your affiliate links and where the traffic's coming from and what is making the sales, right? So really, really good stuff. I'm going to be teaching all about this. And then you can just come over here and look at all these proofs of screenshots. I have more to put in here actually, because I actually built this sales page a couple months ago, and the product kind of sat for a while and I haven't actually launched it, but now we are in launch mode. And so I have more things that have happened even recently in the last couple of months where I topped another leaderboard, made another few $1,000 on one product, and I can share that as well. Super, super cool stuff. So what do you get? Yeah, there's 10 HD videos over the shoulder, simple instructions, all the tools and softwares that you need to run your affiliate business, all the affiliate networks and traffic sources and tools and so forth, right? So really, really cool stuff. I've been doing this for a while, all right? So there is going to be a return policy. A lot of times on my digital products, I don't offer a return policy. This time I am offering a 14-day money-back guarantee. I'm going to test that out and see if conversions are higher for that and so forth, right? We have some frequently asked questions. You can learn a bit more about me and so forth, right? So that's it, right? I just wanted to get this one out there. Once again, this is Affiliate Marketing Mastery. This is a real product, not based on theory, but based on what I really do in my real business in order to make 6 figures a year doing affiliate marketing. You can jump on board with this. It is next week, Monday, June 5th at 10 a.m. I hope to see you on this launch and hope to see you top the leaderboard and get some of that affiliate cash prize. All right, we'll see you inside.